Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying the essentials: your microphone, permissions, and target app. First, test the mic in sound settings and set it as the default input so your PC routes audio properly. Next, grant microphone access to the browser or app. Without permission, voice typing won't start. Once permissions are set, open the document or field you'll dictate into. Then launch the voice typing feature. For example, Win+H on Windows or Tools right arrow voice typing in Google Docs, and you're ready to speak. You now focus on accurate dictation and control. Select the correct language and any enhanced recognition or offline speech packs so the engine matches your accent and vocabulary. While speaking, say punctuation and formatting commands, for example, comma, period, new line, and use explicit edit commands like select last sentence, then delete to fix errors quickly. Pause the tool when you need to type special characters or paste text. Make sure to use short phrases for complex edits so the system parses intent reliably. You finish by cleaning up and saving your work. Read through the text to correct homophones, capitals, and formatting that voice recognition often misses, and use quick keyboard edits for precision. Once corrected, save or export to the desired format and test sending the content to email or your CMS. If voice typing falters, check microphone permissions, update audio drivers, reduce background noise, or restart the app. Often a quick reboot of the browser or system resolves recognition stalls and reconnects the mic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.